It was a chilly evening when Aryan left his office, exhausted. Walking towards the metro, he noticed an old beggar shivering. The man sat by the roadside, wearing tattered clothes and bare feet. His eyes held a quiet sadness that caught Aryan's attention. Something about him made Aryan stop. He usually ignored beggars, assuming scams, but this time, he felt an unusual urge to help. Reaching into his pocket, Aryan pulled out some cash and handed it over. The beggar looked up and faintly smiled. "Thank you, son. But I don't need money. I need food," the old man said, his voice calm yet filled with hunger. Surprised, Aryan took him to a food stall and bought him a warm meal. The man ate slowly, savoring each bite. Between bites, he spoke softly, "I was once a schoolteacher. Life took a turn, and I lost everything." Aryan listened, realizing that behind every worn-out face was a story. That night, he didn't just help, he understood life better.